Is it good to crack your own neck or is it bad to crack your own neck? I sometimes will do this and get a couple pops just like that, and that's totally fine. If you force it like this, typically it's the most loose joint there that just keeps on popping, and then it creates a very hypermobile joint, very loose joint. And the ones that are stuck continue to be stuck and even more stuck. So I would just be careful when you try to crack your own neck. Just to range of motion, stuff like this. Don't twist too hard here. You don't want to flare up the lower back. I get people in here all the time that try to crack their own back, then they come in and they're just locked up. So, that's okay to do. Just don't do it too much, okay?